Good evening. My name is Stephanie Bonsich, and tonight I'm discussing industrialized animal agriculture, which is the industry that has the most negative impact on our environment. Industrialized animal agriculture is a modern form of animal farming, referring to the raising and maintaining of livestock and other animals in high densities in order to meet society's high demand for animal products. The main products being meat, milk, and eggs for us to eat. This industry has the most negative impact on our environment than any other factors because of the large amount of resources needed to keep the animals alive and producing enough food for us. Land is one of the resources that animal agriculture is rapidly diminishing. Livestock currently covers 45% of Earth's land, which is more than humans cover. Animal agriculture also leads to deforestation, particularly in the Amazon rainforest. Not only has the majority of the rainforest already been cleared to make room for cattle ranches, but an additional 1 to 2 acres of rainforest are being diminished every second. Our environment is also being heavily polluted from this industry. Currently, 64% of all greenhouse gas emissions come from animal agriculture. The water needed for animal agriculture is quite possibly the largest resource these animals need the most of. Right now, 1/3 of Earth's fresh water goes to animal agriculture to grow the crops that need to be fed and to provide them with drinking water. To gain some perspective on this amount, 2,400 gallons are needed to only produce 1 pound of meat, and this also means that one hamburger is equivalent to one person showering for 2 months. So despite what we're hearing about how much water we need to save by taking shorter showers and limiting watering our plants, as you can see, we're using up more water to produce the food we eat. So the best thing we can do to limit the damage to our environment is to lower the demand for animal products by consuming them less. The optimal thing to do to lower your carbon footprint is to follow a vegan diet. At the very least, if we cut down on the amount of meat and animal-based foods we eat and replace them with plant foods, we can minimize the negative impact animal agriculture has on our environment.